Hello, my friends. Good afternoon. Today is Friday 3, January 2025, Colombia. This is the 13th Susan the this day. He is my friend. His name is Botas. Botas! Botas! Miren eso. I like my cat. Flying direction in the airport. Ubicated in the Enea. We hope that in this transition from the day to the night, we can capture the best Susan possible. I like. In this moment, okay, at this moment is running. It hasn't stopped running, and suddenly the sun will has disappeared in front of your eyes. Well, the fog repaired. Remember a few minutes ago we could see the horizon. I had to go in and out to avoid getting get in this moment right. Susan and right. We are going to accompany this sunset with the reading of the sonnet 3 by the William Shakespeare. Okay? Looking in the glass tells the face troll bids view set. Not is the time than first show from another. Whose fresh repair if no troll nor any west, trust those dealing with the world, unblessed son mother. For where is she so fair woes, unnerved wound, denies this tell teacher of the husbandry, or who is he so fond will be the tune of his self-love to extort posterity through art they mother glass and she in tree call back the lovely April or her prime. So through the windows of the time edge shall see, described of kringlets, this three golden time. But if thou light remember not to be, thy desire I that imagine dies with tree. My interpretation of this text is marital. In the author invites a young lady to become the mother of his children so that she can inherit her beauty to them. I understand the context. Condebat, I remember you of the concept of the William Shakespeare like in which people or the 90% or more of the person life of the only 13 years. Furthermore, in her time, due to the few medical advances, to the mortality rate was high, the other the woman was. So there was infant for her to the giving birth young. Well, this was my reading of the Sonnet 3 by the William Shakespeare and my interpretation. To accompany this transition from the day to the night of the constant grind. Thank you for your company, my friends. I see you the next day.